Shanghai 生造 electromechanical, ultra-energy thin plate cold welding machine. At the same time, it has dual functions of welding and cleaning. Can meet your multiple needs. Accessories installation. Access ground clamp. Welding gun installation. Access controller. Welding gun connection. Welding gun interface. The argon meter is installed on the argon cylinder. Argon gas connection host. Panel introduction. Power on the machine. You can see 2 parameter adjustment buttons. 3 adjustment modes. Press the mode button to switch the welding mode. Only current can be adjusted in pull welding mode. Press the torch switch to continue the arc. Release it to stop. In the spot welding mode, the interval time cannot be adjusted. Press the torch switch. Arc out once. In continuous mode, press the torch switch to continue arcing. Release to stop. Turn the red knob to adjust the current. The current ranges between 10 ampere and 200 ampere. The maximum current in the cleaning mode is 50 amperes. Welding demonstration. 1 mm stainless steel spot welding. Welding current 120. Welding time 10. One mm stainless steel outer corner spot welding. Welding current 120. Welding time 10. One mm stainless steel welding with welding wire. Welding current 120. Welding time 10. One mm stainless steel pull welding. Welding current 150. Cleaning demonstration. Install cleaning gun. Press the black button to switch to cleaning mode. Dip the brush with cleaning fluid and gently wipe the weld bead. After wiping, clean it up again with a wet towel. Mirror polishing demo.